everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add songs on Spotify. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to upload or add music to your Spotify so you can play your own songs, then the first thing to do is to open up your Spotify application on your desktop. Make sure you log into your account. Now click on your name at the top right hand corner right next to the human icon. Once you click on the drop down, click on Settings in the pop-up. Under the Settings menu, scroll down and make sure that the button right next to Local File is enabled. By default, Spotify will use your Downloads and Music Library folder in order to add in a music source. Click on Add a Source right beneath. Browse and select the folder you want to add to Spotify and click on OK. Soon after you do that, you can click on your library option on the left hand side corner of the screen and you'll be able to view a new local file section. Open that to explore and play tracks stored on your computer in the Spotify desktop app. That is how you can easily upload songs on Spotify from your local storage. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.